Welcome back, everyone. Today I just wanted to talk about politics. Is this politics? Are we arguing about the Republican Party and the Democrat Party? Or are we fighting against tyranny here? I was watching TV this morning and there was a couple people, a Republican and a Democrat, debating. And they were talking about the organization of the Tea Party, the organization, the organizational skills, or the lack of organization of the Tea Parties. And the liberal was saying, oh, they don't even have a good sound system or anything like that. And I thought to myself, well, see that's the thing. These liberals are all about organization, because that's what Saul Alinsky's Rules for Radicals is all about. It's taught these people that you need to organize. You need to create a reformation. You need to create disenchantment. You need to create a climate for change. You understand? Everything that you see today was created for this change through regulations. You understand? Our government has regulated in such a way that it has allowed banks and insurance companies to run amok. Obama wants you to believe that he's here to stop that. You understand? It's as if they did it all on their own. He wants you to believe that their greed has caused this. But in actuality, it was the policies designed to perpetuate the climate for greed. The regulations were directed at the customer, at the population, at the people, to hurt the people, to fleece the people for the banks and the insurance companies, all to create this. Because everybody knows that all of these things, the pre-existing conditions and all of these horrors that they speak of every day, and that's how they're going to push it, with all of these horrors. Everything that they speak of could have been regulated. You could have gone into these industries and regulated the horrors. But they didn't do that because they created it. They regulated in such a way that created this. Because you cannot fundamentally transform the United States of America, like Barack Obama said he wants to do, without destroying what was here already. People are not going to go along with the transformation of this country if everybody is doing well. They wouldn't. See, their ends justify the means. Because they don't agree with the way this country was founded. They don't agree with the fact that the American people have the power to live their own lives. They are control freaks. And they simply want control over everything. Because they believe that they can, they believe that the capitalist system is unfair. But really the capitalist system is the fairest system. You get what you put into it. That's how it works. If you're willing to work, you can succeed. You may fail, but if you fail, then you learn from the failure, and then you won't make the same mistakes again. It's a chance. With these people, it's not a chance. It's not sustainable. Because what you're going to do is you're going to level the playing field, but it's taking from the people who are willing to put forth an effort and giving to the people that don't put forth the effort. How does that work? How does that work? Where's the motivation for these people over here to continue to work hard when their money is being given to somebody else who's not willing? It divides. Do you understand? It divides the population. Because you've got animosity. That's not charity. They call it altruism. Charity is when you freely give money. Freely. That's charity. But when it's taken from you to give to somebody else, that creates animosity towards your fellow man. When actually it's the government that's doing it. You understand? They're creating all of this to change it. God bless America.